Do you think I could do that in my Honda?
Bitch. They gonna look at you like, what the fuck are you doing?
Do you think I could do that in my Honda?
You probably can.
Making me want to see you. Are you trying to leave? I saw you dance with you. How I love you, keep you here.
Looking for a napkin.
There should be napkins in here. There isn't any? Open it all the way on top.
It's just a stupid ass fucking corner. This is not the fucking life I want to live. Look at my eye. That's ghetto. My hair just got stuck to my eye and everything. Hell no. Okay, chill out, AC. Imagine I ripped the whole lash.
Ooh. The beauty spot open for 10 more minutes. Let's put it up here. There we go.
I'm trying to see if it's dry.
Let's see how long it takes her to put on the eyelash. I'm gonna start driving.
That's fine. You know I could do lashes when the car's moving.
Maybe that's what it is. The car gotta be moving for you to put it on. Right? See y'all in a little bit.
Freak do your shit, don't run, don't do no running. It's summertime shit, wish your downtown trying to go to Soul City. Your bitch turned good, she like, can you put it in
I'm
me?
touching your eye.
Like what?
You're not touching your eye. You're gonna touch the fucking lash.
I done fucked up the whole program. I beat her off the wall, dip her down, get nasty on cam. She know, do it
right.
Do it left.
Oh, I went to the right, my goofy ass.
Do it right.
The lambs, ho. Yeah, go. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Yeah, go. Keep running something.
I don't say R&B, but bitch, I'm really hurt. Fuck wrong with niggas.
How you let them cheat?
Uh-huh, that one right there. That one. There's another one by him that I like, though.
What is it?
Yo no sé.
Mi niña siempre.
It's called Mi Niña.
Yeah, here we go.
I know that much.
Yeah.
That means we can't pull up with this music. Turn this shit off. They're gonna be like, who the fuck are these bitches?
Where's the camera?
Pulling up like this.
Yeah, we can't even go in that parking lot. Like, we're gonna look lame as fuck.
Denise, and then you really just pulled into this bitch.
Yes, I fucking
with
did.
The motherfucking.
And I motherfucking did.
Oh, hell. Look at the.
Okay.
Bitch, don't motherfucking point, bitch, because I come out this bitch swinging.
They need to move, because I'm about to park right here.
I ain't getting out the car, not with these motherfuckers. You seen the way them just stared hella hard? Hell no.
They thought I was gonna do some shit. No, I'm not.
Right, they said this bitch about to burn out in here.
I'm not
about to jumping on the truck. Oh, hell no.
I'm not about to do none of what they thought I was gonna do. They thought I was gonna do some shit.
Did they?
No, I'm not. Oh my god.
See,
okay,
bitch.
come on.
Okay, here you go, friend.
Do it for the Celsius. Do it for the Celsius. Do it for the Celsius. Hey, hey. I wasn't recording either. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Beatbox. 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 Yo.
I'm just crying because it's so fucking hot outside.
Cause what?
It's hot.
Even like the little spots. Like a legit interview with him.
The one right next to it? Yeah. And he just left there. Sir, what if we need to go? You having fun?
I'm hot.
It's hot as fuck. Is she wearing Crocs? Bro, her Crocs are dirty. I thought they were beige. They're white.
Bitch. They're the color of dirt.
She thick though. Yeah.
She eat her cornbread. Why she pull up like that? Yeah, but I'm just gonna sit right here.
Yo, it's the polo for me.
It's that one with the fucking drink on top of the car.
I hope he notices that, and I hope his window ain't down.
It is. First of all, he's doing what I'm doing and sitting passenger, so no.
He's in the passenger seat?
Mm-hmm.
Is he gonna do something? Is he gonna do something? Do you think I could do that in my Honda?
Bitch. They gonna look at you like, what the fuck are you
Do you think
doing?
I could do that in my Honda?
You probably can, but
This nigga just...
it was a meh.
Did he just growl? Sir, did you just growl? Did you just like bark?
Growl, like,
I think you just went like...
I just kind of made a noise.
He said... "Rah." Is that the fire department?
Yes, it is.
I'm deceased. They said y'all fucking shenaniganing.
They gonna call the police over here.
It's like Ned's the classified.
I'm about to.
School
What you about to do some
survival
tricks?
guide.
You about to do some tricks, boy?
You better.
Are you Puerto Rican?
What does that mean? About to do some tricks.
Hell no.
You walked up to the motherfucker. You walked up to the car like you about
Yeah,
to do
yeah, I
some
thought you about to do
flips
some
and
shit.
I just walked a little bit and pressed my button and cut that bitch off.
That's the trick.
That's the trick.
He said off.
That's the trick.
She said you should take the car. Get in the car.
I mean, damn right, you should have shit. I could have gave the motherfucker key to the bitch.
No, you know
No,
what I
then
told
she
her?
said-
Yo, you know what I
Let
told
that
her? I said, imagine if she go to get in it, change gears, that shit stall out.
That's got kill switches. You want to go far? Right on my phone.
I go right down the street.
Yo, you better than me. I would wait till they get on the interstate, be like, dead,
Damn.
dead, off,
All right.
off.
Nah, oh damn, what y'all vlogging for real? You vlogging still?
Yeah.
Damn. Yo.
You about to be on my second video ever. I haven't done a video in like a motherfucking year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
Hey!
What? Shout out to your Instagram.
Oh, I deactivated my IG.
Ah!
Now, I'm trying to stay focused, you know what I'm saying?
That's
I got-
good.
That's how
I
Mary
got
had
some
a little
feature goals
lamb.
I'm trying to handle and all that stuff.
What Hot Wheels did you buy?
Hot Wheels, beat that.
Trying to look at him?
Let's see.
He
Pull out your Hot Wheels. Let's go. Hold on. Let's see what we motherfucking got.
Toe. I just hit my toe hard as shit.
You got a truck?
This bitch.
Nah, this Ram is kind of hard. My homeboy, my coworker has Loki like the same Ram.
You got 5.
Shout out Sean. Got
Gotta
your
get
truck.
into- That's that TRX truck.
That's sick.
You know,
Oh,
I noticed
shit.
the car meets aren't like how they used to be. I used to go to the ghetto ones. I think
Which
that's
one
what
you
it
talking
is.
about, takeovers?
Mm-hmm.
See, only because the police, brother. See, a lot of people, they really fucks it up and all that shit when they be going to the intersections and all that shit, burning out with fireworks and all that shit, they fucks it up. And the police, they not fucking with them right now.
I mean, that's
I'm talking
on
about-
them though.
Man, listen.
They don't gotta ruin the fun for
He
everybody
tall as
else.
shit. He got more legs than body, bitch.
Yeah, he still ain't motherfucking tell me.
Imagine he hit your shit.
Ooh.
Boom.
He my next door neighbor, so I'll go knock right on the door.
You better
Be like,
bitch,
give my motherfucking money.
I'll key the car for you.
Give my motherfucking
I'll
money.
key that shit like this.
Nah, hell nah, I can't do my dog like that.
You better than me.
Can you do a burnout in your car?
I can.
So I
Your
can't
wheels
do it
gonna
in my
lock up.
car.
You can.
I told you you
Oh,
can.
listen. Let me see.
I don't think I can.
You can.
In my Honda?
Yeah.
I feel like.
But don't try to do it with me in the car,
drive,
bitch.
right?
Huh?
Your rear drive, right?
No, it's front.
I feel like you still can. I feel like you still got enough power to do it.
Don't try that shit with me in the car. So you fuck around and hit a tree.
I feel like you got
but-
enough power. But what you'll want to do is you'll want to low-key turn off your electronically stability so you can actually get positive.
What button is that?
So basically, you know how
God
when you turn
damn.
off your traction control?
no, I don't turn
Listen,
mine
listen.
off.
side
So you know
of
your
thing.
squiggly lines.
Yes, the squiggly lines.
All right, usually the squiggly lines. So usually what you'll do is, I know for Dodge Chargers and all that stuff, how you turn the electronic
I turned
stability
off. I turned it off. I turned off the squiggly lines.
Why you turning it off like you really about to do some shit right
I'm
now?
trying to see.
All right, right. So that's how you turn. That's how you put it in sports mode. That's technically sports mode.
Oh, I've never hit that button. I do drag mode for sport mode.
That's technically for sport. That's technically for sports mode too. When you hit that button, then you.
Good friend. It's the orange one.
Her. we go. Let's see what he finna do.
Muhammad about to get smacked up.
Oh, let's see. Oh, what?